Are you tired of digging through Gmail settings just to export your contacts? Learn to export them in under 2 minutes. First, we'll navigate to Google Contacts. Then, select and export your contacts in your preferred format. First, go to the Gmail homepage. Then, click on the Google Apps icon. That's the 9-dot grid at the top right to open the app launcher. Now, click on Contacts to open your Google Contacts. Select the contact you want to export by clicking on it. Next, click on the 3 dots at the top right corner of the contact details. Then, choose Export from the drop-down menu. You'll see options like Google CSV, CSV for Outlook only, or vCard for Android or iOS. Pick the format you need. Finally, click Export to download your contact file. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.